Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make an ice cream truck in Minecraft. Begin by marking a 10 by 6 rectangle and set a 1-block high chassis using slabs. Build the box with concrete and wool, leaving space for windows and a serving hatch. Add glass panes, a roof with slabs, and use stairs for a windshield. Finish with chests, signage, and color accents to sell your tasty creations. Frame the exterior with bold color bands and a contrasting roof to make the truck pop. Place wheels at the correct offset and use slabs and stairs to shape the bumpers. Install a serving window with trapdoors and a folding awning using slabs or banners. Attach signs and item frames for a menu and ice cream imagery. Add exterior lighting with lanterns to keep the truck visible at night and welcoming to customers. Design the interior for efficiency with a counter, storage, and decorative displays. Place dispensers behind the counter to mimic ice cream machines and wire them to buttons with a compact redstone circuit. Include a small furnace area for quick item swaps and a map or banner menu on the wall. Keep wiring tidy under floor slabs to save space. Test each button and dispenser to ensure smooth operation during roleplay or...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.